Before installing a THINSCAPE Performance top, be sure to locate all necessary safety equipment. Store your THINSCAPE Performance top inside and on a flat surface. THINSCAPE is double-faced and either side can be used as a top surface. Use these tools to best perform a THINSCAPE installation. A plastic welder is crucial for seaming together components. When using a panel saw, circular saw, or skill saw, use triple chip cutting blades with a carbide tip and a negative hook. THINSCAPE can be installed with a butt seam or a 45-degree seam. The ideal seam will match the design you are trying to achieve in your home environment. Before applying adhesive to protect the product face, use packing or painter's tape on both sides of the seam. If tape isn't applied, a putty knife can be used to remove excess adhesive. Use an appropriate number of biscuits along the seam to create a tight fit between pieces. Mix and apply the adhesive to fasten the seams together. To ensure a tight seam fit between pieces, apply recommended adhesive to biscuits and material edge. Insert biscuits into slots and fill seam half full. Pull the seam together tightly. Adhesive will squeeze out along the entire seam. A 15 to 20 minute cure time is needed after fastening. Adhesive must be removed in a gel-like state before the adhesive is fully cured. Any excess adhesive can be scraped off with a putty knife. Create a captivating space by using THINSCAPE anywhere a sink is required. Follow these steps to construct a top mount or under mount sink with THINSCAPE. Use the Rotolock method or the Keep Nut method to securely attach your sink to the THINSCAPE countertop. Allow for a 15 to 20 minute cure time after attachment is complete. Follow the same steps for other cutouts, including appliances. Use heat tape along the edges of a range cutout. An edge profile can accentuate the overall appearance and design of your THINSCAPE Performance top. Set the profile bit on an extra piece before profiling final surface. To finish your THINSCAPE top, edges need to be sanded by stepping down sandpaper grits. Only sand at the radius profile, not the decorative face. Finish the edges using a recommended finishing pad. Once you are ready for installation, Wilson Art recommends using silicone as a durable, lasting solution. L-brackets can also be used in addition to silicone for added support. Ensure that the cabinets surrounding your new THINSCAPE countertop are level. Supports are required at a minimum of every 24 inches. After installation, start enjoying your space more with a sleek THINSCAPE countertop that resists impact, scratches, and stains, while withstanding daily life with easy maintenance.